On the home page of TurboTax, you want to look at the left side of your screen and click on the Federal button. After that, you want to click on Deduction and Credits button. On this page, you want to scroll down until you see Estimates and Other Taxes Paid. Then you want to click on it. On Estimated Tax Payments, click on the Start button. From here, you can choose on which estimated tax payments you want to change, adjust, or customize, either for federal, state, local, and so on. I'm gonna choose on federal estimated taxes for 2025, so just click on Revisit button beside it. Right here, you can freely adjust and customize your estimated tax payments. You can adjust the state, the date you paid, and also the amount of money you paid before. After you are sure, you can scroll down to the bottom and hit on this Continue button, and just tap on Continue button, and you are good to go. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.